Welcome, young space explorers. Today, we're going on an exciting journey through the vast wonders of space. Our adventure begins right here in our own solar system. Look at all the planets. Can you name them? Each planet is unique and has its own special features. Let's take a closer look. Earth, our home planet, is the only one known to have life. It's covered in oceans, forests, and deserts, and it's where we live. Next up is Mars, often called the red planet, because of its rusty color. Scientists are exploring Mars to see if there was ever life there. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it's famous for its swirling storms, like the Great Red Spot. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings made of ice and rocks. Imagine flying through them on a spaceship. Uranus and Neptune are icy giants. They're so far away that they're hard to see from Earth. Look at this stunning nebula. It's a giant cloud of dust and gas where new stars are born. And here's a black hole, a place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Being an astronaut must be so cool, floating weightlessly among the stars. Well, fellow explorers, our space adventure has come to an end for today. But remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep looking up, and who knows what you might find. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. Followed by social media icons and the subscribe button.